All right, a late start to the sunshine today. Also relatively cool, 74 right now in Eugene, 77 in the Corvallis area. So we're right around that number across the I-5 corridor, a little bit cool across the coast as well, as we're pretty much in the low 60s all day today. We got some of that sunshine about 2 o'clock, 2:30. At that point, that's when those clouds started to lift off, and we finally saw those breaks of clear skies. Tomorrow, I think we're going to start off with the same pattern where you have those morning clouds and then see some gradual clearing. Tonight, we're seeing yet another threat for thunderstorms across central Oregon. At this point, it looks to be a slight chance, but we have to put it in the forecast. Good to know if you're traveling that way. I think a lot of those possibilities for those storms will probably end about Tuesday or so. That's when we start to warm up here, and most of those storms, if they happen, will happen overnight. In our neck of the woods here, though, like we said, that cloud coverage really sticking around, and that pattern is continuing into tomorrow and likely on Tuesday as well. Take a look at FUTURECAST here tonight. I'm expecting a lot of these clouds to return both to the coast and the Willamette Valley. I would expect a lot of these clouds to stay fairly heavy into tomorrow morning. So if you're headed out on the roads to go to work tomorrow, expect a little bit of fog, pretty much region-wide. And I wouldn't be surprised if we had that chance for a drizzle again tomorrow across the coast and also in Roseburg. By about noon or maybe 1 o'clock or so earlier on than compared today, I think we'll start to see some of that sunshine here in our area. High pressure still really sticking around though, so we might see a little bit of cloud coverage Tuesday morning too, and then we'll see that sunshine. But after about Wednesday, everything looks to be clear, and we also have a little bit of a warm up on the way. We took a look at this FUTURECAST last night, and this is where those cooler temperatures are. We're right in the middle of where the warmer temperatures are to the south and then the cooler temperatures up north. And so we're kind of in the middle there, hoping to warm up by the end of the week. At the end of the week, it looks like some areas, specifically to the south of the Willamette Valley, might actually see that 90-degree temperature again. But we'll have to wait and see. Of course, forecasting about 8 days out is sometimes tough, especially here in Oregon. Across the coast tomorrow, we're expecting a little bit of cloud coverage. Like I said, possible drizzle, but likely fog. So if you're headed out early on, I would be prepared, maybe take some extra time. We'll call them partly cloudy skies by about 4 o'clock or so. 66 degrees looking like the high. Next 7 days, not looking too bad. By the end of the week, we're starting to see those clouds start to burn off. By Saturday and Sunday, not too bad. Of course, that's the forecast you want for the weekend. We are going to warm up in temperature as well, low 70s by Sunday. Roseburg also seeing likely fog in the morning. We'll call mostly cloudy skies in the morning. Some sunshine peeking through just around lunchtime, and then I think we'll hopefully have clear skies by the afternoon, close to that 80-degree mark, but otherwise staying kind of cool for at least the first half of our work week. Friday and Saturday, the days to look forward to as we get closer to that 90-degree temperature. We'll call it fog Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that's coming into play for those southern areas a little bit later on in the week, but we will have gradual sun into the afternoon. Otherwise, most of these days are looking like we're going to have mostly sunny skies. So we're clearing out here. Fewer clouds than we saw today in those northern areas, but we'll still call it mostly cloudy, at least in the morning. Mostly sunny skies for the remainder of our Monday, 70 degrees by the time that sun wants to set. Now, Eugene tomorrow, also probably a little bit of fog here, but not as much as you'll see across the coast. Morning clouds, and then we'll start to see that sun start to increase about noon or so. About 4 o'clock, I'm thinking high clouds are going to be the case. So mostly clear skies. You might see a few passing through. Otherwise, very nice. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, not looking too shabby. Just some high clouds in the forecast. We'll keep cool until later on in the week. And then next weekend, not looking too bad. Of course, that's the days everybody's looking forward to. So yes, a nice forecast for the next 7 days here.
Perfect summer weather. Thank you so much, Angela.